If you are looking for a light, healthy meal that still has a ton of flavor, this recipe is for you. We've got a salmon and beet salad with a homemade raspberry dressing that only has a couple ingredients that still has a ton of flavor to it. If you have watched my previous videos, you know I love this garlic butter steak seasoning and it tastes delicious on salmon as well. You'll cook your salmon for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, then take your lettuce and add carrots, tomatoes, pepitas, and sunflower seeds to give it a nice crunch. Then I'll add on the beets. Once I have that part ready to go, I'll get started on my dressing. For the dressing, all you need are raspberries, honey, and olive oil. For the raspberries, add them to a bowl, put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. This next part is optional. I wanted my dressing a lot more liquidy, so I strained out the raspberry seeds. You can leave them in if you'd like, but either way, you'll then add your honey and add your olive oil, and those are the only 3 ingredients you'll need for this dressing. I used a teaspoon of olive oil. I didn't measure out the honey. I put a little bit in, tasted it, and if I felt it needed more, I added a little bit more. So just use as much honey as you would like. Mix it all together, and then once your salmon is finished, add your salmon to the salad, and of course, add your dressing on top. If you decide to give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turns out. Let me know if there's anything you would add or take away from this recipe. I'm always curious to hear your thoughts. If you're new here, the goal of my channel is to release new healthy dinner recipes in under 3 minutes every couple days, so you always have new ideas to eat healthy. Subscribe for more.